Understanding the idiom, slip the yoke. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, slip the yoke. This idiom might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in conversation. The phrase, slip the yoke, refers to the act of escaping or freeing oneself from a burden or an oppressive situation. It originates from the literal yoke used to harness animals, like oxen, for work. When an animal slips the yoke, it escapes from this control. Metaphorically, when a person slips the yoke, they are freeing themselves from something that is holding them back or controlling them. To fully grasp the idiom, it's helpful to understand its origins. A yoke is a wooden beam traditionally used between a pair of oxen or other animals to enable them to pull together on a load when working in pairs. So, slipping the yoke would mean that the animal managed to remove it and therefore, escape from the hard labor. This imagery is powerful and has been translated into human experiences of breaking free from constraints. Now, let's put slip the yoke into action. Here are a few examples. After years of long hours and high stress, she finally decided to slip the yoke of corporate life. The colony slipped the yoke of its oppressors and declared independence. He longed to slip the yoke of his debts and live a life of freedom. Understanding similar idioms can also help in grasping the nuance of slip the yoke. Phrases like break free, throw off the shackles, or cast off the chains carry similar meanings of escaping control or gaining freedom. We hope this video has shed some light on the idiom, slip the yoke, and that you feel more confident using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying images and emotions. So next time you feel burdened, you'll know exactly how to express your desire to break free. Until next time, keep learning and keep slipping those metaphorical yokes.